We will demonstrate our stereo model S304-20-2L and introduce how to operate the stereo microscope through a simple operation. Here are some features of the S304-20-2L stereo microscope. This Swift S304-20-2L has an adjustable screw head to use the microscope from different angles. The eyepieces are also replaceable and adjustable, as well as our existing 2x and 4x objective lenses for the needs of different scenarios. The device has upper light source and low LED for everyone to use. When we adjust the light, need to pay attention to the strong light. The product is equipped with a platform for us to place the observation object on the relevant platform. The eyepiece of this product is a detachable eyepiece, placing the electronic eyepiece, linking the microscope and computer equipment, and then we can project the image under the microscope to our computer monitor to observe. The above is a brief introduction of S304-20-2L. Welcome to explore the fun of microscope.